Now, the idea of multi-phase shift keying, an advanced version of what we just talked about, is trying to be able to send multiple bits per symbol instead of just using two phases. Now, remember, when we talk about phases, right, we're talking about from 0 to 360 degrees, and some of these changes just can be broken down into four components of basically 0, 90 degrees, 180 degree phase change, from there 270 degrees, and the rest of that. And if I get back to 360, I'm basically back to 0. So now what we see is that we encode and we say, look, if we have a 90 degree change in phase, then we want to let you know we're sending you a 0 and a 1. If we do not change the phase at all, which was what happened last time, when there's no change, then we're sending you zeros, 2 zeros. If we have a 270 degree change, then we're sending you a 1 and a 0. Or if it's a 180 degree phase change, then we're sending you 2 1s. Right, those are binary numbers, by the way. I'm not talking about, it looks like the number 10, but it's actually 2 digits, a 1 and a 0. So, and we can see that on the chart, that as we saw this, frequency, and then we had that 90 degree change, so, it came up to here, and at this point, we started it down here. There's the 90 degree change. That becomes the 1s and 0s, and then here, of course, it's going along with no change. So during the next moment in time that you're reading this frequency, we see the no change, so it becomes 2 zeros. 270 degrees, right? We were down all the way down at the bottom of this arc, and then we saw the 270 degree change, and then that was the 1s and 0s, and then you can see this other change that was a 180 degree change that indicates that we're sending the 2 1s.